All good?
No, the fucking shifter is broken. I have to go up there.
Wait a second. Now I know what to do.
Fortunately, the shift cable is broken down at the rear derailleur. Otherwise, we would need a new one. First, I shift down into the smallest pinion. That gives me a few more millimeters of shift cable at the back. Now I twist the individual wires back together to make it easier to thread it. After that, I remove the torn piece of cable. Now it's a bit fiddly. I wish I had more hands. Because a piece of shift cable is missing, I have to push the rear derailleur in the direction of the rear wheel. Now pressing the thumb on the cable and hold it. Hold it until the cable is tightened and clamped. For fine adjustment, use the stop screw on the rear derailleur and the tension on the shift lever. Finished and like new again. Well, it's only possible to use the lowest gears, but you are able to ride back home.
Now you're good to go. Thank you. Bye. Bye.